largest university in Bengkulu is an answer to society's need for a state university in Bengkulu province. UNIB offers various programs of study through diploma, associate's degree, bachelor's degree, and magister, master's degree.
Since established in 1992, the University of Bengkulu is committed to being a center for the advancement of sciences and technology. University of Bengkulu is awarded by the Ministry of Education and Culture as one of 50 promising Indonesian universities out of more than 3,100 universities in Indonesia, Green Campus, and others. This is recognition as well as achievement, since the University of Bengkulu is committed to continuously improving the quality of academic program and tradition, conveying better future.
The University of Bengkulu proudly presents 8 faculties. They are Faculty of Education. The main objective of teaching and learning process in the Faculty of Education is to explore the notion of education and to develop and train best practices on teaching and learning. The faculty provides theoretical framework of teaching. Its teaching and learning also cover the teaching practices that help shape a capable, forward-looking and effective teaching and active learning. Students will learn about pedagogy, education framework, education problems and innovation on teaching. Faculty of Law. Teaching and learning process in the Faculty of Law aims to bring students to explore and to have good understanding on formal rule, commandment, regulation, act, and local wisdom. A variety of legal cases are being discussed to familiarize students in the best practices in public and private law. In line with the efforts to improve the quality of our students, Faculty of Law is permanently connected with Mahkamah Konstitusi with video conference facilities. This allows the students to have better understanding and experience about judicial processes and practices. Faculty of Economics. The Faculty of Economics develops experts in business and economics, conduct an excellent and innovative research program, and facilitate the effective and socially responsible transfer of knowledge to business practice. The faculty presents teaching and learning on the basic overview of economics, management, and accounting. Faculty of Social and Political Science. In many countries, including Indonesia, the public sector is on a relentless drive to improve performance, increase efficiency, and meet their constituents' increasing demands. Teaching and learning in this subject is designed as a highly interactive forum for students to explore and discuss concepts and issues relating to the change and transition of the community and government.
I'm delighted to be at Bengkulu University. I have found the students very, very friendly and the faculty extremely interested in educational opportunities abroad. I look forward to a long collaboration with the university. I love the campus, especially his turtles behind the office.
Conveying better future.
Conveying better future.
Faculty of Agriculture. The mission of the Faculty of Agriculture is to develop human resources and technology to cater to contemporary and future needs on the agricultural sector, to advance and disseminate knowledge, and to provide advice and guidance in the field of agriculture for sustainable economic development. Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences. The faculty provides indoor and outdoor exploration and experimentation on math and natural sciences. It gives a good understanding and expertise on 4 basic sciences, that is, maths, physics, biology, and chemistry. Students will learn about the fundamental discipline on what, why, and how the innate phenomena happens and how to explain and make use of it for a better future. Faculty of Engineering. The Faculty of Engineering develops experts in engineering field, conducts an excellent and innovative research program, and facilitates transferring of skill to industrial practices. The faculty consists of 4 study programs, which are civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and informatics engineering. In particular, education process at the Faculty of Medicine is directed to produce doctors who have the competence and technical skills in the clinical field to be able to take the lead and support the development and improvement of the health status of the community, especially the coastal communities.
Conveying better future.
Conveying better future. Conveying better future.
UNIP has many supporting facilities and buildings. Classes for bachelor and diploma students are held in 40,000 square meter wide classrooms, which are spread throughout general lecture hall buildings. Development of buildings and the environment is constantly taking place. UNIP is committed to maintaining its campus in an environmentally friendly fashion as a green campus. Library. The library is the heart of the university that supports the development of knowledge and technology, social conditions, culture, and the economy based on technology. The library plays an important role in enriching the thinking of the faculty and students because it functions as the information center, coaching center, development of reading, and education as the heart of academics. It is also a reference center and host of edutainment. UNIP's library is 6,000 square meters and is comprised of 3 floors which are all continuously improving services to users in the form of easy access to browsing resources and information.
Conveying better future.
Conveying better future.
Information and Communication Technology. This is the agency that oversees the development, refinement, and implementation of University of Bengkulu's information management system. It also develops computerization of UNIP, providing administrative computing services such as collection, processing, presentation, and storage of data and information, along with services for educational programs, research, and community service. Students are not only provided with a high quality of education, but they also have the opportunity to join associations or clubs of interest, either at faculty or university level, such as nature lovers, band, martial arts, etc.
Our achievements, we are already a big winner in other outside sport and science in regional, national, and international level.
UNIP is actively developing its international network to many international academic agencies. And we push our students as well as the academic staff to widen out their international experience through many exchange programs. UNIP also invites foreign academics to come and participate in many of UNIP's programs. Quality development does not only happen in the classroom. In groups, the lecturers engage their students in research activities and community service. In its 30 years of service, UNIP has already engaged cooperation with local governments in Bengkulu, other provincial governments, the national government, and banks. UNIP has also developed international cooperation. This is in line with UNIP's commitment to raise the university's ranking through internationalization of education.